What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Tradeonometry Sunday prep session where I aim to get myself ready for the upcoming week. And let's go over price action from the previous week. Let's go over any economic data, news that's coming that we need to be aware of. So I already just posted these in the Discord, but on Monday we have ISM services coming in at 3 p.m. So 30 minutes after market opens, we have that. Nothing else. So we have FOMC on Wednesday, but that's just the minutes. FOMC was a couple weeks ago, and I traded FOMC and I lost. And then, the last few times actually trading FOMC hasn't been good. Like price action for me, it just hasn't gone my way, and it's just like, why am I still trading FOMC? So going forward, I will not be trading any more FOMCs, like not at all. The day of FOMC, I'm not trading. The day before FOMC, if I do trade, it will be sizing down. I'll be trading micros or something. I'm not sure yet. But actual FOMC, I'm just going to wait for the decision to be made, and then, go from there. That's all. In terms of earnings, nothing at all. Nothing of interest. Helen of Troy, crazy. Levi, Delta, that's it. Nothing that's gonna move the market in any capacity, really. So that's it. Guys, if you want to join my Discord as well, the link is in the bio. I go over price action every single day. I go over my system, my best setups, everything like that. It's in the Discord. Where you can join. The reason this is going to be a quick video today is because the levels that have been trading off has been working like wonders, like absolute wonders. The supply zones, the demand zones, they have just been working so well. And if I just stick to the levels, I know that there's money to be made. And of course my EMAs as well. It's just like, look at how price comes back, respects them, and then continues. So anybody chasing reversals at this point, you come up into these EMAs thinking that we're going to continue going long, bad idea. Because again, look at this. Price came, made its demand zone, retested it to the upside, came back down to it. You never got a bounce off it. We broke below it, came up, so came back up to it, shorted, came back up to it again, shorted, and then it came down to my big demand zone down here. Friday was a half day because of July 4th. I didn't actually trade this day. I actually just left this day alone, and just look at this. It's just like, why would you want to trade this? But if you did trade the overnight session, you made money back to the upside after coming back down to this demand zone. So opportunities are there. It's just slower price action. Just like, look at these candles. Like, why would you want to trade this? I have no idea. This is a 10-point candle, 15-point candle. Like, look at these ones. This one is, it's not even 8 points, yo. Anyway, very small candle, so I stayed away from Friday. I just wait for regular markets to open again on Monday, and we go from there. So what we're gonna do today is literally just break down the levels and just try and refine them, so we have an idea of where price is, where we need to trade from, and we go from there. So what do we see right now? We're in an accumulation phase, right? Very big accumulation phase. And what does that look like? We see price move up very aggressively, and we have all-time highs now at this area right here. So this is our all-time high level. All-time highs is right here. And after this big move up, we can just see that we are just consolidating. So price is just moving between this level. This is what price is just doing. And it needs to break out of this level. One way or another, this is what price is going to do. It's going to break out of this level either to the upside, or it's going to break out and come to the downside. Which way it will go, we don't know. So this is the daily chart right now. We're going to go down 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. And those are going to give us our levels for next week to be trading off. Like I said, this is already refined and for the most part, and I'm just going to be trading off of where price is already, without worrying too much about anything else. And this area is what I'm really looking at. So on a 4 hour chart, this is good. This is good for me, honestly. We can pull this across, because look what happened. Came right back down to this. The 4 hour 200 EMA bounced off of it, went up. So let's go down to the 1 hour and let's refine this even more. This is just supply and demand. It's just where price went to and where price is going. It's all we're looking at. On the 1 hour, this is good. This is what I'm also seeing on the 1 hour as well. So we got this. So I know if price can get above this area, then we likely push up. See, we bounce from this demand zone. We have this here to get through. So if we can get through this downtrend, we can see upside. But for the 1 hour, this is good for me. This is honestly good for me. I know we have like this zone here. Yeah, right here, type zone. Can move this up a little bit. I know we have the high there. I think I like this better as a supply. Price came up here, rejected, up here, rejected, up here, rejected, broke it. Didn't retest and stay above it, and it tried again, rejected, tried again, rejected. So yeah, I think I like it in that area much better. As for demand, I know we have like a micro demand like down here. Yeah, I know we have this micro one, this micro demand, because of these, yeah. And then, so below that, we know we have this one down here. Below this, there's nothing. Really, this can even be moved down here, like this. But I don't think I like that. I think I like this here. But we know we have this low, so I mean, if it goes below this, either it's really gonna push down and come down to these lows here, or it's gonna just bounce from there. So could go either way. Let's head down to the 30-minute now, and then again we can refine this even more. So yeah, I like this, that's cool. I like this, that's cool. And the reason is, look, if we pull this across, dang, look at these. Yeah, so we can even, let's move this up a little bit. Yeah, let's move that up a little bit. Let's push this across. Push this across. Yeah. Now we just have to see when the market opens, if it's going to respect this or if it's going to fall back below. If it does come back below this, we can possibly see some downside. So, ooh. How do I edit this? Let's edit this. Oh, that's crazy. Do normal lines, please. Yeah. So what we want to see is we want to see something like this, honestly, in order to kind of push up. If we don't kind of see that, what we're gonna get is a failure below this level is gonna trigger some kind of downside move back into this area here. And then again, if the market is just very weak, we will see these where buyers have stepped in, we will come down to 28,700, 28,600 levels. So yeah, in order for us to maintain, we have to stay above this area, break this downtrend for us to see upside. And then 15-minute zone. Yeah, I really like these. No, these are good. We're gonna leave our levels here. This is the levels I'm gonna be looking at for the entire week. I'm just gonna be trading off of these levels. I'm just trusting these levels. So I know if price gets here, and I'm gonna be looking for upside, that's 300 points. I know if price pushes below here, again, that's 200 points. And so it's like, if I'm gonna be guided by these EMAs and stuff, so if this crosses over and we're back below here, but of course VWAP is here on the 15-minute and on the 10-minute, 30-minute. So price is above all these things. It's bullish right now. It's telling me that we could get a pullback into these areas before pushing to the upside. And then of course the deeper pullback will be this area. And it's just understanding that we're not going to be trading in these zones, in these areas here. So I don't want to be trading, if price gets here, I don't want to be trading in the middle of it, right? If price gets to 30,000, 30,040 in this area, I'm not going to be trading it. I'm going to wait for pullbacks to occur, or I'm going to wait for us to hit our supply zone before I actually take a trade. And that is it. I'm going to leave it there. One last thing. So depending on who you're trading with, so Apex is they bought back their legacy accounts. So they're doing a 250K legacy account because of American independence, 250 years independent, and they're doing a 90% off sale. So $17 you can pick up a 250K account for. I'm not affiliated with them, so the code is save now. And pick some of those up if you can pass them. Do that. You know, they're very good accounts to have if you're able to pass them. It's a $15,000 profit target with only a $6,500 drawdown. So you have to be either you're going to trade it very slowly, or you have to be instantly correct if you're going to be full porting it. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you're going to get some of them. I'm going to pick a couple up myself and try and pass them. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.